Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Hector Jesus Garcia, aka El Mexicano con los Ojos Chino, back here with another video. And today we're gonna go to the beach, record my sister's 15 pre-video, and just have a good time with the fam. So if that sounds interesting, follow me. Let's go.
1 hour later.
What's up, guys? Finally here at La Playa, featuring El Primo. Literally. We've waited like what, 20 minutes?
It's been like not even. It's been like 10 minutes.
Yeah, we waited 10 minutes for these people over here to be able to get parking. But we finally here, so time to a ver qué pendejadas hacemos. Hey, you already know, making her second appearance in the vlogs, La Prima, Aeroliner. Hijo. Debuts from all these people. Debut from La Arizona.
O sea, ¿quién te crees?
Damn, my camera's focusing on your nose. Go.
Are we gonna do a part like this? Okay, I'm done.
Alex, do you have anything to say to the fans?
Okay.
Damn. They're gonna hate you when I blow up.
Okay.
Yo, why do you say BTS is trash, Alex? Damn.
I didn't say that.
Damn. And then you say NCT sucks? Damn.
Oh no! Wait, no.
Yo, ladies, we're finally at the beach. People are moving. It feels nice, but I forgot my sunglasses. I feel blind. How do you feel, Primo?
I don't have my glasses, so technically I'm blind.
Damn. So we're moving. I think we're moving to the location shoot. You already know. Big moves out here. So yeah, see you ahí. Oh, the lady of the hour.
America.
I did the blue face. Gang, gang. Oh. Millennials. ¿Creas, madre?
This is going to millions of parents, I forgot.
¡Ándale, mi Chris!
Desde buenito me enseñé a sembrar, pero todo era tristeza, viví en la pobreza, tuve que cambiar. Me convertí en traficante, primero ayudante, de un hombre famoso. Pero cambiaron las cosas, la vida es curiosa, hoy soy poderoso. Mucho anduve trabajando allá por Durango y por Zacatecas, por muchos otros lugares, allá por Nogales, también Agua Prietas.
Go.
Follow me on Snapchat, JayZabella2007. Make sure you follow me because you know I need clout. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, alright, ladies and gentlemen. Time to get into the water part of the video. ¿Qué piensas, mi Chris?
Oh, we've been here for a while. I haven't eaten anything.
I haven't eaten anything either. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Yo, fame's a huh? What's up, guys? Just a fun update up here. We just got done chilling, doing a lot of the video work. So right now we're just chilling. As you can see, a lot of these kiddos just, playing with the frisbees and whatnot. But hey, look at this freaking view. Hold up, let me show you. Look at this. Oh my God. You cannot tell me this is not beautiful, man. Look at all that. Ah! Missed it. Ah! Anyway, but yeah, we're like kind of done already. It's just my sister doing some other shots right there in the back. So if you can see. But yeah, go relax. I'm actually really hungry. Oh shit. Gotta see what they have to eat, what they brought us, you know, the talent to eat. But I'm thinking, you know, the view is nice and everything, just to do some photo shoot real quick. Nah, get the fuck out. Hey, mi primos.
What's up?
¿Qué hacen aquí?
Hey, look. See this?
Yeah.
You know what it is?
What?
No. Sodium.
Tell the people why they should subscribe to my channel.
See me in it. And if you see me in it, that is the reason.
There we go. Bro, tell me like the sun is not beautiful right now. And just the whole view is everything.
The most beautiful view is right here.
My mom's way. Finally got some grub on, my people. Un tortita con unos chips. Yeah. Okay guys, everyone just chilling here. You know what it is, chilling. Anyway, just waiting to relax, let this food go down before we do some dope photo shoots, cause we're at the beautiful beach. We have
Isn't
beautiful
that
beach.
embarrassing?
And then yeah, let's go. What?
Isn't that embarrassing?
What?
To like
You get used to it. Isn't it embarrassing for you?
weirdo. Yes.
No, you have mayonnaise all over your mouth.
Is
Nasty.
that
Anyway, after we eat, let the food take down, take some nice photos at the beach, because we're here. Make use of this beautiful weather, beautiful sunlight and everything. The beautiful view. Take some good pictures for the gram, so make sure you follow me down below. Alright you guys, we're heading on our way out, but honestly, look at this freaking pier. It honestly is cool. Like honestly, like, hey Sarah, if someone took you on a date to this place, would you vibe?
No,
Damn.
I don't like the beach.
I feel like this be a cool place for a date. So anyway, ladies, if you're single out there and you'd like me to take you on a date, I'd be more than happy to take you on a date here. Alright you guys, we're back home from the day at the beach. Good day. I'm freaking tired. Only didn't sleep that much. Hope you guys got more rest than I did. This is the girl who's taking all my college tuition for her stupid party that we were there at the beach for. Get on my outro. Anyway, anyway guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, this has been the Mexicano con los ojos chino, signing off.